What's going on, guys? I know that I said I would never become a vlogger, and I still really don't consider myself a vlogger because I don't do this every day. I'm about to drive out to Jonesboro, Arkansas right now for 2 volleyball games today and 2 volleyball games tomorrow. After the second volleyball game tomorrow, I will have to come back to Memphis for the SMU versus Memphis game Saturday morning at 11 a.m. Then Saturday night, I've got a show at the New Daisy, and then Sunday I have to drive back out to Jonesboro, Arkansas for the last set of volleyball games. I have no free time, and the only free time I will get, I will most definitely spend it napping. Who knows how long I'm gonna have to stay up for all this. But you know, this is what I want, this is what I want to do with my life, so I'm ready to go. I'm excited, I'm pumped. I'm ready to just do this all the time. This has just all been happening so fast, I can't believe it. And I want to give a shout out to everyone, all my friends, all my family who have supported me along this journey. Everyone's looking at me like I'm insane. Here we go. So I just got done with day one. There was 2 volleyball games today. Both of them went into 5-setters. And if you don't know what 5-setters means, it's literally the longest possible length of time a volleyball match can go. It's when both teams have each won 2 games, and then they go into the 5th game for a tiebreaker. Both games did that today, which is why I'm getting back at 11:45. I've got some Mickey D's waiting for me. Got a nice big Dr. Pepper. I'm ready to go to bed. I don't have to check out until 2 o'clock tomorrow, which is very nice. I get to sleep in until at least like 12 o'clock. Then I'm going to take a shower, go find a Waffle House, and get ready for day 2. I'm ready to eat, so I'm keeping this short. Currently midnight. I just had 3 hamburgers and a large Dr. Pepper. I'm very tired. I'm ready to go to bed, but I'm also ready for day 2. Right now it is 11 a.m. I slept really good. This hotel is really nice blackout curtains, which helps. And the bed was so warm. I slept so well. I'm ready for day 2. It's gonna be exciting. The worst part is gonna be opening the curtain. Alright, so just got done taking a shower, got dressed, still gotta pack, and I'm ready to go. I'm gonna find a Waffle House and get going, and I'll have to find like a Starbucks or something to chill out at until the game actually starts, because I only have 2 hours till I have to be out of the hotel, but I don't have to be at the game until like 4:30. Usually when I go to a hotel, I mentally rate the showers based on, you know, water pressure and how long the water stays hot. And I'll tell you, if you're ever in Jonesboro, I highly recommend the Hilton Garden Inn. They had wonderful water pressure. The water stayed boiling hot the whole time. The only issue is I didn't know how to turn on the shower for like 10 minutes. I'll show you. There you go. So here's the little nozzle. So you turn it on, but as you can see, I can't find like where do you like make it come out of the shower. I couldn't find that, so it took me 10 minutes to like realize. I tried pulling on that. Nothing. I tried pushing on it, and what it is you pull this. Check this out. You pull that down, and then that's what does it. That was really complicated for me. Baby. Well, ain't she pretty, Sheldon? Just loaded up the car, checked out the hotel. I'm ready to go. It's 1 o'clock right now, so I only have like 3 hours to kill. So I need to find a Waffle House right now because I'm starving. And then after that, I'll probably just chill out on campus and find something to do. By the way, you gotta rep the gear today. Check the link below for merch. Like, subscribe. Just kidding. Some merch is not for sale. Right now it is 10:07 on Friday night. I just got done getting a chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A. The games went super fast, so I'm very thankful for that. So now I have to drive home back to Memphis to be ready to go for tomorrow at the SMU game. I'm supposed to get back at 11, which isn't bad at all. I'm having so much fun right now. This is what I want to do with my life all the time. It's currently 11:45. I was going to stay up and edit videos and pictures, but I am completely drained right now. I'm just going to take a Mucinex, go right to bed, maybe take some NyQuil, call it a night. Got an early start tomorrow morning, so I really don't want to be any more tired than I already am. What's going on? It's day 3. It's 7:41 in the morning right now. I'm about to have a little bowl of cereal, get dressed, and head down to Liberty Bowl. Tiger walks at 8:30, so I got a little time to snack, and it only takes me about 5 minutes to get there. I slept really good last night. I took a Mucinex and I took a little thing of NyQuil, and I'm feeling good. A nice shower always helps too. So I'm ready to go for day 3. Okay, so I didn't get to record as much as I'd wanted to, just because everything was going, it was just crazy. I got to the ball on time, I pulled up at like 8 o'clock with 30 minutes until Tiger Walk, and Tiger Walk went smoothly. Then I found my parents, had some donuts, had some coffee, had plenty of time to set up the cameras. Game was going smoothly, wind was blowing like crazy. Then about 1 o'clock, a thunderstorm rolled through, delayed the game for about an hour. And then right after that, game picked up. In the fourth quarter, Tigers won. Tigers are your West Division champions, which was incredible. It was insane. People everywhere, people running around. It was madness. It's 11 o'clock, and in about 30 minutes to an hour, I will be heading downtown to the New Daisy for the Slander show, I think. And that's going to go until about 2:30. And then tomorrow I got to get up and head back to Jonesboro, Arkansas for the last volleyball game. and then this whole weekend will be over. It's been such a blast. By the way, we have a special guest joining me for the rest of this trip. Mr. AJ Von Bergen.
Hello. I thought it was pretty good. I liked them, especially Slander. Great time. A day in the life.
Whatever, man. Riveting stuff.
You done?
Yeah.
Dado.
This is day 4, the last day of this crazy trip. AJ's in the shower right now. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. We're going to go get some Gibsons and fill up on gas and get some snacks and hit the road. Hoping to get to Arkansas State a little early. I do want to try to get some drone footage. It's looking pretty good outside. It's nice and sunny, no wind, but I think it's pretty cold outside, but that doesn't really bother me too much. Let's wrap it up.
Matthew, how do you feel about this?
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's
Is it
recording.
Yeah. I have a accomplice with me. She's going to help me out and hold my stuff and do my job for me while I sit around and eat and take in Arkansas. We're going to a gas station right now. Fill up. Ah!
Any worries about the road trip?
We've literally been like on the road for 10 minutes. I'm good now. That little pump is on the radio. Oh, look, there's a trolley.
Here we go. Welcome to Arkansas.
You know it's not a road trip until we get some posty going.
For practice, this shit just happens. No, y'all can't stand it. I have it, I never pass it. I wear my magic, high average, ball on these bastards. It makes me happy. It's tragic, I make it happen, and all y'all shacked in. White Iverson.
I missed our exit. Is it filming?
Yes.
Jacob, this one's for you. For our boy who couldn't make it with us this weekend.
In the arms of the angel, fly away from here.
I have no idea if I'm allowed to do this, but it always helps when you have a lanyard. Word of advice. No matter where you go, just carry a lanyard with you, and you can do whatever you want.
Or a camera. You got games on your phone?
And that's it, we just let it fly away.
No.
process. How do you feel about that flight?
I feel really good. I feel more confident now than I did before, but you know, practice makes perfect. Made it, day 4. We just walked in, like,
They didn't care.
they didn't care at all. What was that?
It really do be like that sometimes.
We out. So it's been a few days since we got back. We got back around 5 p.m., which was not bad at all. It gave me time to unpack and get my stuff ready to go to class the next day. I wanted to end this video by thanking everyone involved with this whole weekend. I want to start off by thanking my boss, Tammy. She gave my name to Mark, who was in charge of the whole Sunbelt Volleyball tournament. Next, I want to thank Mark. He made me feel right at home. He made sure I was ready to go each and every day. He took me up to the catwalk, which was an unreal experience, so thank you, Mark. I also want to thank everyone else involved in the Sunbelt Volleyball tournament. Every single one of you made me feel welcome, and it was just an amazing experience, so thank you guys. Next, I want to thank my friend AJ for tagging along with me the last day. The first couple days were pretty boring, but thank you for providing the entertainment. Next, I want to thank all of my friends who just support me in everything I do. You guys are the best. I appreciate you guys so much more than you will ever know. Finally, I want to thank my mom and dad for being the backbone in all of this. And I know this weekend was crazy and I hardly got to see you guys, but thank you for making sure I had enough sleep and enough food and just telling me to do whatever I want in life. And that really just is the extra push I need to be able to make it through weekends like this. So thank you guys so much. I love you guys. If you're involved in any way this weekend and I forgot to thank you, I am so sorry. I'm a little all over the place right now. I'm trying to get my thoughts together. Any support, any involvement is just greatly appreciated. So thank you guys. I'll see you next time.